Jair Bolsonaro. Jair Bolsonaro. Jair Bolsonaro. I think it's that. Not positive, but Jair Bolsonaro. Seems right. I've researched it. I came up with like 5 different pronunciations for that name. I put them together, and that seems to be the closest, as far as reporters, how they say it. I'm sure in Spanish, in Portuguese, it's Portuguese. Brazil's Portuguese, sorry. Portuguese. It's probably pronounced differently. Not saying I'm 100%. This is how Americans say it. Jair Bolsonaro. That's the American version. It's probably not the Portuguese version. So don't hate on me, okay? Please don't. Okay. Subscribe. Jair Bolsonaro.